How to uninstall or reinstall ClassDojo app. First of all, open the settings on your device and navigate to the apps or applications section. Scroll through the list to find the ClassDojo app and tap on it. On the app page, select the uninstall button and confirm your choice. The app will be completely removed from your device. If you want to reinstall ClassDojo, open the Play Store and search for ClassDojo. Tap on the official ClassDojo app from the search results, then click on Install. Wait for a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing account credentials or create a new account if needed. This will restore all your classroom access and settings associated with your account. Make sure to allow any required permissions so the app functions properly. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall ClassDojo app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.